viewers, welcome to our channel Try to Learn. In this video, we will learn and write some abbreviations that we commonly use in casual conversations. We will also learn their full forms. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, and for more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel Try to Learn. First one is LOL LOL. LOL stands for laugh out loud. Next is BRB. BRB stands for be right back. Next, BTW. BTW stands for by the way. Next is IDK. IDK stands for I don't know. Next is OMG. OMG stands for oh my god. Next is FYI. FYI stands for your information. Next is ASAP. ASAP stands for as soon as possible. Next is DIY. DIY stands for do it yourself. Next is BFF. BFF stands for best friends forever. Next, TTYL. TTYL stands for talk to you later. Next, IMO. IMO stands for in my opinion. Next is ROFL. ROFL stands for rolling on the floor laughing. Next, FAQ. FAQ stands for frequently asked questions. Next, ETA. ETA stands for estimated time of arrival.